Presenting the boAt Rockerz 450 wireless Bluetooth headphone. This on-ear wireless headphone has been ergonomically designed to meet the needs of music lovers. The Rockerz 450 offers a non-stop playback time of up to 15 hours. This on-ear headphone provides the best user experience with its adjustable ear cups, comfortable padded ear cushions, and lightweight design. The headphone provides an immersive HD audio experience with its 40mm dynamic audio drivers. You can connect to boAt Rockerz 450 via Bluetooth and aux cable. You can control your music without hiccups using the easy access controls, communicate seamlessly using the built-in microphone, access voice assistant, and always stay in the zone. This headphone is available in 3 color variants: aqua blue, hazel beige, and luscious black. Inside the box, you will find the headphone, charging cable, user manual, and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.